In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Finance Analyst Editor to a Meta Business Suite account. We'll be doing this directly inside Meta Business Suite settings, and the goal is to assign the right asset access so the person can work with finance-related permissions on the Facebook page. As we go, make sure you're signed into the correct business account, since many people manage more than one, and it's easy to make changes in the wrong place. To begin, go to Settings inside Meta Business Suite. This is where all your business users, permissions, and asset access are managed. Once you're in Settings, look over to the left-hand menu and navigate to People. This section shows everyone who currently has access to the business account, and it's the place where you can update permissions for a specific user. In the People section, find the person you want to update. When you've located them, click the three-dot menu next to their profile or name. This opens a list of additional actions you can take for that user. From that menu, choose Assign Assets. This is the option that lets you connect that person to specific business assets, such as a Facebook page. After that, select the Facebook page you want to assign. Be careful here to choose the correct page, especially if your business manages several pages with similar names. Selecting the right asset is important because the permissions you apply in the next step will affect only that page. Once the page is selected, look for the permission labeled Revenue and enable it. This is the key part of the setup for finance-related access. Turning on this permission helps ensure the user has the level of access needed for the financial side of that page, while still keeping the process focused on the exact asset you selected. After enabling Revenue, click Assign Assets to confirm the change. This finalizes the permission update and applies the access to that user. If everything is saved correctly, the user should now have the assigned finance-related editor access for that page. As a quick tip, after making the change, it's always a good idea to review the user's permissions one more time to make sure the correct page was selected and the revenue access was enabled as intended. That can help prevent confusion later, especially when multiple admins are managing the same business account. And that's it. You've successfully assigned the Finance Analyst Editor access in Meta Business Suite.